Hi guys, so in today's video I will be showing you this look right here, and this is just a simple brown smoky eye, also my go-to last minute look for every occasion I guess. So if you guys are interested in learning how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I will be starting off with my eyes first, and to prep my eyes I'm going to use MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm just taking that on a flat brush right here. This is a Sigma large shader brush, and I'll just take that and put that all over my eyes. You can use your fingers to blend this out. You can even use a concealer or your foundation to set your eyes. And yeah. So for my eyes today, I will be using the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm just taking this shade right here to set the eyeshadow. Taking that on a clean fluffy brush, I'm just putting that all over my lid. This is actually not a matte shade, it has a bit of shimmer in it, but that will all get blended out. Now I'm taking this shade right here, which is like a light brown color, and I'm taking that on the same brush. This was the MAC 217, and I'll just dip that in and tap off the excess, and I'll just put that into my crease. Again, starting in the outer corner, I'll just build that towards the inner corner. I'm also applying the shade on my lid. Then I'm taking this darker brown color, which is called Screw It, and I'll take it on the same brush. This I will start on the lid first. And then take it to the crease. You guys can stop right here and be done with the eyes for now. But I actually want to intensify it a little bit more. So I'm taking my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'll take this shade right here, which is a reddy brown shade, and I'll take that on. I'm actually taking all of them on the same brush. I'll use this in my crease just to build up the color. And then I'm taking it on my lid. I'm taking that same color that I used before, and this time I'll take it on a flat shader brush and pack that all over my eyelid. Going in with a blending brush and just blending out the crease. So now I'm going to do my face, and I already prepped it using MAC's Prep and Prime Moisture Infusion Serum. This is really good if you have dry skin. And yeah, let's go ahead with foundation. So today I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade 230, along with a little bit of Bobbi Brown's BB cream in light. I'm going to mix them on the back of my hand. Just put that on my skin. I'm taking the Henna Beauty sponge and I'm just gonna pat this into my skin. I have a little bit of product left in this, so I'm just applying that here. This sponge is really great and really soft, and it helps to blend in your foundation seamlessly. I will link all the products that I use down below in the description box, so if you want to buy anything or check out any of the products, you can check in the description box down below. So to conceal, I'm using Collection Lasting Perfection in the shade Warm 3 and just taking that underneath my eyes. And I have a slight spot here where I want to conceal. Taking that beauty blender and just blending that in. I'm also taking a little bit around my nose because I get red there and I need a little more coverage. So just gonna blend that in. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Kick-Ass powder by Soap & Glory. This is a slightly yellowish powder, so I like that to set my eyes, like underneath my eye. And I'll just tap that in. And for the rest of my face, I'm using the MAC's Mineralize Skin Finish in medium. Taking that on a big fluffy brush by Sigma. I'm just gonna tap that on my forehead, my nose, and also like just take that all over my face. So I want to contour and also bronze up my face a bit. So for contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. This one right here, this is what I'm going to use for contour. Taking that on an angled brush, I'm just going to contour my face. So for contouring, I just take it like in this angle right here, from where my eye starts to, you can see like this point. I obviously don't drag it down that much, just till the middle, and then I just blend it in. I'm also using this shade right here to just bronze up my face slightly, and I'm using it on the same brush that I used before. I'll just use that on my forehead slightly and on my jawline, and just use a little bit where I contoured on my cheeks. Using that big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend out the bronzer on my forehead. For blush, I'm taking MAC's, I think it's Sunbasque, and mine's broken and very damaged. So just taking that on this blush brush. Starting on the top, I'm just going in circular motion till I reach the apples of my cheek. For highlight today, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Hustla Baby. This is a mini. It's the Killawatt highlighter. And I'm taking this on this brush right here. This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills A26 brush. Just dipping it in slightly. I took a little too much product on this. And just applying it on my cheekbone and blending it out. lips today, I'm using Kylie's Dolce K lip liner, and I'll just line my lips with that. I'm also using that to like fill in my lips as well. And I'm also using the Kylie K liquid lipstick in Dolce K. I'm just taking a little bit of Expose and I'll put that in the middle. And I'm just blending that out with my finger. Just taking that Fenty Beauty highlighter on the same brush, I will slightly highlight my Cupid's bow. To finish off the eyes, I'm using the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and I'll just use that on my waterline. Going in with mascara, gonna curl my lashes. And I'm just using Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So to set the face, I'm just using MAC's Prep and Prime Fix Plus and just spraying that on my face. I have a small tip for you guys here. If you want, you can also go back in with your beauty blender after you've put whatever setting spray and just dab the beauty blender all over. So yeah guys, that's the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what videos you'd like to see next, and also let me know how you guys are celebrating Eid this year. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, Eid Mubarak. I hope you have a happy and blessed Eid and are celebrating in the best way possible considering the current circumstances. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!